Have you ever looked at an Excel sheet and thought something here doesn't add up? Today I'll show you simple and powerful ways to flag incorrect calculations in Excel so you can catch errors before they cost you time, money, or embarrassment. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Excel error checking. Excel already helps you spot errors. You just need to pay attention. When you see a small green triangle in a cell, that is Excel warning you something may be wrong. Click the cell with the green triangle. Click the warning icon. Review the suggested issue. This can highlight things like inconsistent formulas, numbers stored as text, or division by zero. Method 2. Use conditional formatting. Now let's make Excel visually scream when something is wrong. Select the range in column D where you want the formatting, e.g. D2 to D5. Make sure the active cell in the selection is the top cell, e.g. D2, so references align. On the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, enter the formula below. Adjust the row number if you selected a different starting row. Example formula, equals in open parenthesis, C2 not equal to double quote, close parenthesis, comma, D2 not equal to B, 2 times C, 2 close parenthesis. This formula does 2 checks. C2 ensures column D in that row is not blank. D $2 equals B $2 times C $2 checks if D's value differs from the product of B and C. If C is non-blank and D not equal to B times C, the formula returns true and triggers the format. Click Format. Set the highlight style, for instance, fill color, font, etc., that you want to apply when the rule is true. Click OK to save the rule. With this rule in place, any cell in D will be highlighted if its rows C is not blank and D is not exactly B times C. Be sure to use the $ before column letters, so each row's formula always compares its own B and C columns with the D column. This approach is perfect for large spreadsheets, and that's how you flag incorrect calculations in Excel like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheets.